Hello everybody, thank you for joining the Wheeltopia channels and support our channels. And remember to hit the like and subscribe button and also share the videos. And for the spinner, if you want to buy those, click on the link in the video descriptions. And also remember to join our free giveaway. They are in the video description section. Good luck everybody. So let's get started. So today we're going to try a new format. So the stopwatch going to put on top so I don't block it when I am introduce the spinners. So let's get started. And also that we are trying all the metallic spinner now. So you can see we took the Chilex away. So right now let's get started. So today we are going to review that the user suggests. This is skull spinners. So today we are going to review the skull spinner from the users. So this one is from the Max Spin. Both of them, one is from Boneyard. Both of them are around at $40. It's kind of high-end standard one. We show it in the best 45 videos, and this one is pretty smooth, so you can see that very good quality. So let's open it. So this Max Spin is nice and special. Inside just tin case and tell you that don't drop it because it might damage your spinners. And the other one is from the Boneyard. So let me see. This Infinite Spin. This is called Boneyard fidget spinners. So they look identical. This is a gold spinner. So this one doesn't have the logos. So this one do have one. It's called Max Spin. And they look identical. And this one is $10. So let's see if $10. Let's make sure it's secure. Oops. Okay, stop. Okay. So okay, that's it. So that's the difference between the $10 spinners and $40 spinners. Alright, and this is from this is a titanium from the Punage. It's from Vulcan. So this is a titanium. So let's see how they compete. So we have our top 6 spinners. So okay, let's get started. So we spin our Sunkang, our Shimshao, the Valkyrie, Angry Wolf, and Memiko. So this one is from the Max Spin, and this one is from the Boneyard, and this is one of the viewers suggest. I just get different colors just for comparison. They are from different vendors. So this one say impact might cause damages, kid out from the children's. And this one is only $10. Both of these is around at $40, $38 plus $40. This one is only $10. And this one is titanium. Is by the Punage, Vulcan. So this is a high-end brand, but it's a titanium, pretty well built, but look like you can stop around 1 minute. It's kind of disappointing. And this guy is around like $35 as well. So looks pretty cool. This is a little Thunderbolt. very thick cap, concave, very nice. One piece construction. So this one look like they use the 606 bearing. So all the newer one they'll use R188. I give you a much better spin time now. So this probably an older design, and it's very loud, and it's not that stable too. See, wobble even on your hand, and make very loud noise. So see the wobbles. All tow bar spinner wobbles. And the case is just standard tin case. And this guy is just hand spinners, faster for more fun. Typical one, tin case. And these two, same thing. This one has warning labels at the back. This one is and now we are approaching 3 minutes. So, and also this is just spin cube. Check out the other videos. We'll put a link there. This one is very cool. Look like a cube, but it's a spinners. And also check out the other video, like DIY. This is the Pokeball. So while it's spinning, oops, I forgot to hit the laps. So this guy is four minutes, and 4 minutes and 10 seconds. So this guy is about 1.8. The titanium is look heavy, but it's light. Pretty kind of long. And look at the max spin is pretty good. It can last for 5 minutes. So let's take a look at the construction of these two. The goal is a little bit different, but the construction are very similar. So you can see the ring is different, and this one is more a stainless ring. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So this guy can spin for almost 1 minute plus. So both of them are pretty quiet. And I would say that the $10 one, once you fix or secure the bearing, let me see, does it wobble? Secure. So this one probably is maybe brass construction. So let's take a look. High speed, perfect. 2 to 5 minutes. So it doesn't say. So look at maybe brass construction. And the Shemshao outspin Hasankan next time. So just take a look. This one is 2.3 and this guy is 2.25. So the material they use is a little bit different. So this one is a stainless one. So yeah, and this one is pretty smooth. You can, when you opened it, yep, the other. Or 188 bearing secured by the ring. And this one is very quiet. Let me see. It's quieter than Angry Wolf. This is very similar to Valkyrie. Still make those whine noise. And these are stainless steels. So this one there, this one is only like $28–30. It's pretty cool. Alright, and that's it. So I would say that this is the first one, and these two are almost identical. So if you want to buy, just buy the $10 one. You can save you some money. And this is from the Boneyard. So just get this one. And this one will not recommend it. But this is up to you. This quite cool design. That's it. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe and check out all the other videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.